So this is our wee snippet, part of our free community, part of our free bootcamp, repurposing content. Find out what is this. I'll just play a few minutes as normal, and then we'll just get right into it. So we'll come back in a few minutes. So this is all, you can learn this all for free if you do join us, link in the description, and also this here free community. So we'll come back in a few minutes or so.
Hey, what's up? It's Chuck here. So in today's lesson, I'm going to talk about why you must repurpose all your content if you really want to build a massive personal brand on all social media platforms. So to start off with, understand that YouTube is your S-tier branding channel. Basically, you always want,
and that is also YouTube. So selected the wrong one. Repurposing content. In fact, we're on the right one, my mistake. So let's go back to this.
want to start with YouTube long form content. Okay, this is the top of the pyramid because a long form video can be repurposed into anything and literally everything. Take your long form video content seriously and you're all set. That is the bottom line. If you just take each long form video content seriously, do all the proper research, do all the proper scripting, shoot that video, all the editing, you can leverage that whole entire video and repurpose it to anything and everything. Okay, so let's dive right into it. What repurposing content means. Let's just explain what this means. Reusing content that you have already created. You want to maximize efficiency. For example, posting video content on other platforms as native videos. So with Instagram, with LinkedIn, with Twitter, with Facebook, so on, you can upload the same video as a native video on that platform. Posting podcasts to every audio platform. So you can post your podcast on Spotify, Apple iTunes, Google Plays. You want to upload the same episode on every single podcast platform out there. The same exact episode. Posting a single image content on visual media platforms. So let's say you upload a image content on Instagram. You can leverage that same content to post it on Facebook, to Twitter, to LinkedIn, to Pinterest, and so on. Breaking up long form content into short form content. So when you have a long form content, you can clip it and upload it as short form content, and that short form content could be uploaded as YouTube Shorts, Reels, TikTok, etc. Reusing research notes and using them as text content. That's why I'm saying when you focus on all the proper research for your YouTube videos, you will have a whole bunch of notes. And when you use those notes to, let's say, create a long form thread content on Twitter, or like a long form post on Facebook, or long form text post on LinkedIn, you're still using the same exact notes. The bottom line is this. Repurposing content means using what you have already created and reusing it on other social media platforms. This is the way to build your personal brand. This is how all the big personal branders out there are doing it, whether it's Alex Hormozi, Gary Vee, even Tony Robbins, to a lot of other people. Anyone in any niche, when they want to build a brand, they're leveraging repurposing content to build a brand in every single social media platforms. So, why repurpose content everywhere? Well, mass branding on all social media platforms, that's a given.
So there's a wee snippet. It's all there. It's all there for free in all these other services as well. So it can't be missed. Click the link or description. All this is free. The community is free. So come and join us, and we'd love to see you there.